नमस्कार दोस्तों। ऑर्गेनाइज क्राइम एड्स प्रोविजन इन बीएनएस भारतीय न्याय संहिता, इसका हिंदी वर्जन मैं पहले अपलोड कर चुका हूँ। ये सेक्शन 111 के अंतर्गत आता है। ऑर्गेनाइज क्राइम मीन्स दैट two or more people are involved together or collectively in any continuous illegal activity in which economic or material benefit is obtained through violence, threat, corruption, or extortion, etc. There is a provision of Section 111 related to organized crime in the Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita (BNS). Under this, people who commit, plan, participate in, or assist in organized crime are punished. The main subsections of Section 111 are as follows. Section 111(1) defines organized crime. Section 111(2) provides punishment for attempting organized crime or resulting in death, which can range from life imprisonment or death penalty. Section 111(3) punishes those who are not directly involved in the crime but are involved in its planning or part of it. Section 111(4) provides punishment for being a member of an organized crime gang. Section 111(5) provides punishment for anyone who helps a criminal to hide or evade the police. Section 111(6) and 111(7) provide for punishment for possession of property obtained from organized crime and fails to account for it. Now, the punishment can include life imprisonment, death penalty, and a heavy fine. In short, Section 111 is a law to combat on organized crime and related offences, designed to eliminate criminal gangs and prevent crime. It provides for severe punishment depending on the severity of the offences. Now, a case law. First case of Section 111 in Rajasthan after adoption of BNS. The first case under Section 111 in Rajasthan has been registered in July 2025 against gangster Lawrence Bishnoi and his gang. Jaipur police registered an FIR in this case at Chotwara police station, which is considered to be the first FIR registered under this section. The FIR includes the names of Lawrence Bishnoi, Anmol Bishnoi, and Rohit Godhra. After these three members of the gang have also been arrested, this case is considered to be the beginning of strict action against organized crime. That's all about this video. Thanks for watching this video.